Good morning. I just thought I should share something on Mendeley. If you have struggled like I have, I think I have something that can help you. So what I'm going to show you is you'll see that it's very hard to get your Mendeley plug-in, and then there's the Mendeley add-on. And usually the Mendeley plugin would work with the Mendeley app on desktop. But now what you would see is when you look at reference, when you look here, you'll see that you do not have your Mendeley there. If you did it a while back and you had your plugin, it will show under the reference. See, let's change to mail. You go back to reference, it will be somewhere here, but you're not finding it. If you installed it recently, most likely you would not find it, like I did not as well. But what I figured out is so the plugin would normally allow you to add the references at the bottom of the document. So you insert your reference on the text, and then the plugin would allow you to insert your reference at the bottom. But now you don't have to worry if you don't see your plugin under references on your Word if you've installed Mendeley Cite. Mendeley Cite, it allows you to insert references on your Word document. So what you would usually do is you would have written something, then you want to add your reference. So when you look below the Mendeley Cite logo there, when you look down, that's where usually your Mendeley Cite will open. And now, once you know what reference you want to put and where, you click on it. At the bottom of this, you will see the insert citation, right? So it adds your citation, but what it's not doing is it's not organizing your references at the bottom of the page. Now, what you need to do is you go back to Mendeley Cite and you click the three dots. So let's say you would have already set your reference. This is where my reference list is going to be. We have that, and now you are creating your list of references. We will remove the bold and that. So you come back to these three dots. This is where you're going to create your reference list from. And you'll see once you've created it, once you've added a few, they actually start adding themselves to the document. You insert bibliography, continue. Now you have your reference that you inserted in your text available as part of your reference section as well. So I just thought I should share this. If you're struggling to find where you create your reference library on the document that you're writing in, it is fine. Don't stress. If you have the Mendeley Cite, you are sorted. The Mendeley Cite would be at the top of your screen, the top right of your screen. That's where you would usually see the Mendeley Cite. If it's not and it's showing maybe the English is gone, the add-ins, you would click that and then you can choose the one. You may have other add-ins there, but you click that and then you open your Mendeley. But usually once you've added it, that is the top right of the page is where it appears. Don't worry if you don't see anything under the references. That would usually allow you to create your reference library on the same document that you are referencing. Once you've added your reference, you can just go back to Mendeley, you click the three dots and you insert your bibliography. Let's say I now want to add a different, it wouldn't be, let's see, the different reference. You see I've clicked a different reference, and at the bottom it said insert one citation which is the citation that you have selected. You add that, and then it will add that to your library, and you do that as you go on. I hope this helps. When you when you want to work from your Mendeley, and the Mendeley add-in like this, it works from your online library, so you don't have to stress. You have that logged in, and then you can access your library. Don't worry about seeing something under your references, because you use the add-in on the right of the screen to insert your reference into your text, and then from there you go to the three dots and you insert that same reference to your reference place where you want your references to sit by clicking insert bibliography. Continue, and there you have. Some have repeated because I used the same thing. This is what I wanted to share with you. If you are new to Mendeley, don't stress on how you're going to work your references. This is how it works.